Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Network Software Components Lecture 18.6. Describe the different applications and features of different network operating systems. Network monitoring software and network applications. Network operating systems knows. Applications. Network operating systems serve as the software platform to manage and control network resources, user access, and communication. They provide services like file sharing, printer management, user authentication, and directory services. Features. Centralized administration. NOS allows administrators to manage multiple network devices from a central location, simplifying network management. User authentication provides a secure way to authenticate users and control access to network resources. File sharing facilitates sharing files and resources among connected devices in a seamless manner. Network monitoring software. Applications. Network monitoring software helps administrators track the performance and health of network devices and applications. It collects and analyzes data to detect issues, optimize performance, and ensure the network runs efficiently. Features. Real-time monitoring provides real-time visibility into network performance, allowing quick detection and resolution of issues. Device health monitoring checks the status of network devices, like routers, switches, and servers to ensure they are functioning correctly. Network applications. Applications. Network applications refer to software that runs on the network and facilitates communication, collaboration, and resource sharing among users and devices. Features. Email servers allow users to send, receive, and manage email messages within the network. File transfer protocol (FTP) servers enables secure file transfer between devices on the network. Web servers host websites and web applications accessible to users over the network or the internet. Explain how this software can be used to reduce security threats. Network operating systems knows by implementing robust access controls and user authentication. NOS ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive network resources, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. NOS can enforce security policies, such as password complexity rules and account lockouts, to prevent common security threats like password guessing and brute force attacks. Network monitoring software. Real-time monitoring and alerting capabilities of network monitoring software help detect suspicious activities, such as unusual network traffic patterns or unauthorized access attempts, allowing swift response to potential security breaches. Bandwidth monitoring helps identify abnormal traffic spikes that could indicate DDoS attacks or malware activity, enabling timely mitigation. Network applications. Secure implementation and regular updates of network applications, such as email servers and web servers, ensure known vulnerabilities are patched, reducing the risk of exploits. Collaboration tools with encryption and secure communication protocols help protect sensitive information share among team members. Evaluate the effectiveness of different network software and how well they keep networks safe. Network operating systems knows. Effectiveness. Network operating systems are essential for managing and controlling network resources. They play a crucial role in implementing access controls, user authentication, and security policies. Their centralized administration and security features contribute to network safety. Keeping networks safe. NOS helps keep networks safe by ensuring that only authorized users can access resources, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Network monitoring software. Effectiveness. Network monitoring software provides real-time visibility into network performance and health. Its proactive monitoring and alerting capabilities enable prompt response to potential security threats and network issues, keeping networks safe. Network monitoring software helps keep networks safe by detecting suspicious activities, abnormal traffic patterns, and potential security breaches. Interpret all features of a network diagram. Justify the decisions made by the organization. Interpreting all features of a network diagram involves understanding the various components, connections, and decisions made by the organization to design and implement the network. In short, key aspects to consider in interpreting a network diagram and justifying the organization's decisions: devices, the types and quantity of devices deployed, reflect the organization's infrastructure needs and the scale of its operations. Connections, the layout of connections demonstrates how data flows and communication paths are established efficiently. Topology, the chosen network topology aligns with the organization's requirements for scalability, redundancy, and ease of management. Subnets and IP addresses, the organization's use of subnets and IP addressing reflects a well-designed network architecture, allowing efficient data routing and management. VLANs, the implementation of VLANs indicates a conscious effort to segregate and secure network traffic, enhancing overall network security and performance. Network applications, effectiveness. Network applications serve various purposes, from communication to collaboration on data storage. Their effectiveness in keeping networks safe depends on their implementation, security features, and regular updates. Keeping networks safe, securely implemented and updated network applications contribute to network safety by reducing vulnerabilities and preventing unauthorized access to sensitive data. Encryption and access controls in applications help protect information from unauthorized users. Specification coverage. Applications and features of software components, including network and device operating systems, network monitoring, management, and troubleshooting tools, including performance monitor, events and logs viewer, vulnerability scanners and packet sniffers. Work application, including database, document management, and network discovery tools. Network and device operating systems. Applications, network operating systems known like Windows Server, MacOS Server, and Linux-based systems are used to manage network resources and provide services such as file sharing, printer management, and user authentication. Features, centralized administration, user access controls, file and print sharing. Directory services, security features like firewalls and encryption. Network monitoring, management, and troubleshooting tools. Applications, network monitoring software such as SolarWinds, PRTG, and Nagios monitor network health, performance, and security. Features, real-time monitoring, bandwidth usage analysis, device health tracking, alerting, event and log view for troubleshooting, vulnerability scanning to identify potential security weaknesses, packet sniffers for network traffic analysis. Network applications. Applications, database management systems like MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle for data storage and retrieval. Document management systems like SharePoint for collaborative document sharing. Features, database applications provide structured data storage, querying, and backup features. Document management tools enable secure document sharing, version control, and collaboration. Network discovery tools help identify connected devices and their characteristics on the network. Introductory task. Your teacher or network manager may give you a talk about the different network software that is used to successfully manage your network and its users. Make a note of what network software is mentioned and what it does. The teacher or network manager is giving a talk about the different network software used to successfully manage the network and its users. Network operating systems knows purpose, manages network resources and services. Examples, Windows Server, MacOS Server. Linux-based systems. Features, centralized administration, user authentication, file sharing. Security controls. Network monitoring software. Purpose, monitors network performance and health in real time. Examples, SolarWinds, PRTG, Nagios. Features, bandwidth monitoring, device health tracking, alerting, Event and log viewing. Vulnerability scanning. Network management tools. Purpose: helps in managing network devices and configurations. Examples: Cisco Prime Infrastructure, HP Network Node Manager. Features: device configuration, firmware updates, network visualization. Deeper learning. Activicious Network Operating Systems. Network Operating System (NOS) is a specialized software that manages and controls network resources and services. It provides a platform for communication and coordination between different devices on the network, allowing them to share files, printers, and other resources efficiently. NOS enables centralized administration, user authentication, and security controls to ensure smooth and secure network operations. Describe what is meant by the term network operating system. Research and describe the different built-in security tools and how they can be used to reduce security threats. Firewalls. Description: firewalls monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined rules. They act as a barrier between internal networks and the internet, allowing or blocking specific data packets. Used to reduce security threats. Firewalls prevent unauthorized access and protect against external threats like malware, viruses, and hackers by filtering traffic. They minimize the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive data and services. Antivirus software. Description: antivirus software scans and detects malicious software, viruses, worms, trojans on devices. It quarantines or removes infected files to prevent further damage. Used to reduce security threats, antivirus software helps identify and eliminate malware, reducing the risk of data loss and system compromise. Secure sockets layer. Transport layer security. SSL, TLS. Description: SSL, TLS are cryptographic protocols that secure data transmission over networks, ensuring data privacy and integrity. Used to reduce security threats. SSL, TLS encrypt sensitive data, such as login credentials and financial transactions, during transit, safeguarding against eavesdropping and data interception. Password policies and authentication mechanisms. Description: password policies enforce strong password requirements, while authentication mechanisms verify user identities before granting access. Used to reduce security threats. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication prevent unauthorized access, minimizing the risk of password-based attacks and data breaches. Evaluate how effectively network operating systems reduce security threats. Effectiveness. Network operating systems play a significant role in reducing security threats by providing essential security features and controls. User authentication. NOS enforce user authentication mechanisms such as strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Access controls. NOS offer access controls, limiting user permissions and restricting access to sensitive resources, minimizing the attack surface for potential threats. Centralized management. NOS enables centralized administration, making it easier for administrators to implement security updates, patches, and security policies consistently across the network. Security features. NOS often include built-in firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection mechanisms. Introductory task. Your teacher or network manager may give you a talk about the different network software that is used to successfully manage your network and its users. Make a note of what network software is mentioned and what it does. The teacher or network manager is giving a talk about the different network software used to successfully manage the network and its users. Network operating systems. NOS purpose: manages network resources and services. Examples: Windows Server, MacOS Server. Linux-based systems. Features: centralized administration, user authentication, file sharing. Security controls. Network monitoring software. Purpose: monitors network performance and health in real time. Examples: SolarWinds, TRTG. Nagios. Features: bandwidth monitoring, device health tracking, alerting, event and log viewing. Vulnerability scanning. Network management tools. Purpose. Helps in managing network devices and configurations. Examples: Cisco Prime Infrastructure, HP Network Node Manager. Features: device configuration, firmware updates, network visualization.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.